As a solo owner operator with nobody to help me out most of the time, you'd be surprised at how handy your phone camera comes in. Customer complaint, e-brake not working. It's a manual, so it's kind of important. Here's where your e-brake comes through the floor, and then you got your e-brake lever. And we want to know what's operating. When I pulled up on the e-brake lever, it seemed to be working. Maybe the cables are slightly seized. Maybe there's a problem with the seized up braking components. You can see it's a Michigan vehicle. It's all rusty. But before we go through the trouble of lifting everything up, taking the wheels off, pounding the drums off, let's make sure that this is working. So we just set this here phone on the old drive shaft, and then watch for me, guys, and let me know if that e-brake is working.
A few moments later.
All right, I just engaged the e-brake, so now we will watch the footage back, and no, I've got it lifted up, and maybe everything is operational and it's just out of adjustment. So let's see. Absolutely nothing on this wheel. Nothing on this wheel. Now we watch the footage back and make sure that cable's being pulled. If that's working, next step, then waste your time taking the tires off, whatnot. I know I'm not a fast-paced garage. A lot of garages are. You don't get paid unless you're getting jobs done, flat rate. Some are hourly, but you also want to get stuff done for your boss, look good, and get a raise. So speed. Around here, we're not about speed. I'm just chilling, bro. But most places, it is about that. So you don't want to waste time doing all that. When the last one I had in here, it was disconnected from the e-brake, which you could usually feel. So, efficiency. Just watch the footage back. Looks like everything's working perfectly fine. Those cables pulled back. We don't have a seized cable or anything. We are just out of adjustment on the brakes. I mean, you've got to adjust drums. If it sits, they get rusty. They don't self-adjust anymore. This one sat for sale for a while. I know it's history. Or somebody in the past, I've seen this before, didn't know how to hook up the e-brakes, or it's a pain in the ass, and so they just left them doing nothing inside the drums. So that's what we're going to run into on this. And she wants those parking brakes to work because it's a stick. And get it done. Imagine how much better the world would be if people in positions of extreme power weren't extremely greedy or prejudiced. And the plot thickens. We've got brand new shoes and hardware. Looks like they decided not to change the drum before they sold it to her, but new hardware. So why is the e-brake not working? This drum came off extremely easy. If we come in through the back, we can see our e-brake cable coming through. You see it going that way. It routes over here and looks like it's hooked up to this right here. This hooks into the pad, and when you pull it, it pulls it this way, which pushes the shoe out, locks the wheel in, and sets the parking brake. First glance, everything looks good. But there is something not working, and what I see, that looks a little cockeyed maybe. Something has to be wrong. Oh, this guy, I'm pretty sure this guy is supposed to be right here, and there's a spring going over it. All right, so whoever did these drum brakes made them so that they work. You hit the brake pedal, they stop. But they're incorrectly done. Somehow, something's wrong. All right, you see this little cable right here? That's supposed to be tight, if my memory serves me correctly. It wraps around a groove on this little doohickey right here into there. And the fact that this is so sloppy, something's not hooked up right, and that's why the parking brakes are not working. Something is done wrong. All right, you can see that wheel seal looks like it's got a little moisture around it, a little rusty. This thing sat for a while, but I got a helper to pull the e-brake now. Let's see what happens. Go ahead. I mean, right now I have it up. There we go. All right, so it's going back. Now do it the other way. It's pulling in, but you can see that nothing is happening to the brake shoe, and that's because the springs are assembled incorrectly. And that's a diag, and the repair will be disassemble everything, put it back together correctly. Catch you on the next episode. See you.